A few weeks ago, I participated in a run and it got me thinking. To run, one needs both mental and physical strength, and it does not come overnight. The same goes for math, either conventional or Vedic. You need only to practice to get better at it. There are no other tricks. Another thing is that you need to change your mindset. If you keep telling yourself that it's difficult and you can't understand, then you'll never get better at it. But when you change your perspective, you learn that it is possible to get better at it, and you might even fall in love with the subject. Hey guys, welcome back to Vedic Math Vantage. Today we are going to go through the below base multiplication technique. So without further ado, let's jump right in.
Today's topic is below base multiplication, which is the exact opposite of what we did last week. So, you can have base numbers like 100, 1000, etc. And below base numbers are the numbers that are barely below these numbers. For example, for 100, you could have like 99, 98, and you could, if you like, you could all the way go down to 85 even. It's your wish depending on when you want to use the technique. So let's begin first with the conventional method. Take 99 and 98. Imagine. Now these kind of multiplications are much harder than normal multiplication because you're making use of bigger numbers like 9 and 8, and so there is a lot more carry involved. So let's begin. 9 into 8 gives 72, 2, carry of 7. Now again 9 into 8, so 72, plus 7, which is our carry. So we get, that's right, 79. Now we put a 0. Next, 9 into 9, it's 81. So 1, carry of 8. 9 into 9 again, 21, plus 8, that's 89. So our final answer, when we add it, would come up to 9702. Okay, so you saw how much of a hectic process that was. Let me teach you an actually very useful and much simpler method. Take the same numbers, 99, 98. Just like last week, we write by how much they differ from the base number. So here make a note of the base number here, which is 100. Now 99 is less than 100 by 1. So you make sure to write minus 1. You'll understand why in the next video. But for now, just stick with me. Right, minus 1. And 98 is less than 100 by 2. So minus 2. Again, left hand part of the answer, right hand part of the answer. For left hand part, 98 minus 1. Or you could take 99 minus 2. Either of them works. Okay, so we would get 97. Now what we do, we multiply the right digits. So we have minus 1 into minus 2. Now as you know, minus into minus gives a plus. Am I right? So two negative numbers, when you multiply, you get a positive number. So 2. Don't forget, our base has 2 zeros, just like last week. So our base has 2 zeros. So our right hand side should also have 2 digits. So our final answer, 9702. Let me show an example where you take a different base. Let's say 385 and 380. Sure, let's go with these. So, again, make note of what the base is. Here, our base would be 400, right? So now, how much is it lesser by? Here would be, it's a 15 here, it's a 20 here, right? So, again, left hand part and right hand part. Again, 385 minus 20, or 380 minus 15, 365. And now right hand part, 15 into 20. So when you multiply 15 into 2, you get 30, and into 10. As you can see, I'm splitting up 20 into 2 and 10 and multiplying individually because it's easier. You must check out my doubling video if you wanna get a better understanding of how that works. But anyway, 15 into 20 is 300, right? So 300 over here. You can see our base has only 2 zeros, but we're getting here 3 zeros. Now, if you have not seen my last video, then let me just explain. This extra digit must go to the left hand side, so that we'll have only 2 digits on the right hand. So it goes as a carry. But our base here is 400. So last week our base number and the number we had here looked similar, in the sense that the 100th digit, or whatever was the largest digit, was the same. But here you need to be careful. Here we have a 3. Doesn't mean you multiply by 3. You should multiply by a 4, because 400 is the base number, not 300. Otherwise we wouldn't be doing below base multiplication. So again, multiply 365 by 4 first before you add the carry of 3 from the right hand side. So 365 into 4, that would give us 0, 6 and 14, 1460. And now our final answer would be 146. The 3 is added over here, so if you would like, plus 3, so we have 1463, and last 2 digits remain the same, that is 0, 0. And that's how simple the below base multiplication technique is.
So that was the below base multiplication technique. I hope you enjoyed learning it. This video, along with the previous and the next videos, will help you form one complete concept of Vedic mathematics. Until next time, keep practicing and see you again.